The special invitee, Shri Gagan Nayak, Padma Shri and Olympic medalist, Pride of the Nation, my batchmate, my dear friend, Shri Anjani Kumar, IPS, Commissioner of Police, Hyderabad, all senior officers on the dais, all dignitaries of the dais, media friends, and the participants for the sports meet. Hearty congratulations to all the winners. Also, hearty congratulations to all those who could not win but who did participate in the sports meet. Why do I say that? As our CP had said, winning is important, but participation is equally important. In the long run, your continued participation in sports and activities like this will give you rich dividends, either in terms of fitness, well-being, happiness, or camaraderie. I am very impressed by the enthusiasm and the excitement with which all participants have taken part and displayed. It was a wonderful show. The impressive march past, the tent making, and the other displays by CSW, etc. They were real good, and I wish I would have been part of this event for longer. But of course, this is the second time that I have been with the City Police for some occasion. And as always, City Police has lived up to the traditions and even better. It clearly shows the quality of leadership by our CP, Shri Anjani Kumar, and his team of officers who have ably supported him in all endeavors. Hyderabad City Police has earned a very good name in the last 1 year, which were difficult and trying times with the COVID pandemic. Hyderabad City Police has earned a name for itself, not only in the state, but at a national level. When you go out, when you go to places, other cities, Hyderabad City Police, the name is taken with awe and pride. It's all because of you. It's all because of the officers and men of Hyderabad City Police. I congratulate them for all the good work they have done in the last 1 year, which many of you had been COVID warriors. All of you have come out flying. And in this sports meet, the team spirit and all will help you develop bonds which will always keep you in good stead. It must be a welcome change after a long, difficult year to take part in sports meet. And as your CP was saying, that he will be organizing regular sports events, maybe on a quarterly basis. It will give them well-needed and much-needed respite to all of you to take a time off, take 3-4 days off, take part in sports events from the busy, take time off from the busy schedule. I wish you all the best. I wish all officers and men of the Hyderabad City Police all the best, and I am sure the same good work will continue and you'll keep on earning better name for yourself. I congratulate Anjani Kumar, IPS, CP, and his team of officers for organizing the sports meet successfully. Despite their busy schedules, they could take time off for 4 days and take part in all these events. Thank you, one and all.